Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I am super excited. I'm trying a unit from Braids Queen, and y'all, it is a braided wig. This is all just, it came like this, okay? Super easy to install, super easy to put on, like I freaking love. So if you guys are interested in seeing me installing what I think about it, then continue to watch. Before I jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on my socials, which will be right here on the screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go. I do want to say thank you to Braids Queen Official for sending me this unit. Alright guys, so taking it out of the packaging, we are getting straight into the braided wig. There's really not much that you have to do with this unit, which is great, by the way. So taking it out of the packaging, it is just 2 full braids to the back, and then at the ends they're tied off at the end with a little bit of curl action, and then you have a small braid right down the center of the unit as well, giving it just a little bit extra style. And they do give you galore baby hairs to work with, so you can make this look as natural as you want it to. So when I put the wig on, the first thing I did was just tap down the ends with some got-to-be glue as well as spray. Just make sure the ends stay down. After that, I just went straight in to my baby hairs, and I just kind of finessed them a little bit and do them how I usually do. And just gave myself a bunch of swirls here at the front, which definitely gave my look more of a natural look for sure. I'm feeling it all the way. I really don't have anything bad to say about this unit. Personally, I didn't really expect it to be like too thin at the hairline, but I think they did a good job with the hairline. Of course, I do wish that it was a little bit more thinned out over here to the sides, but I do not know much about constructing braided wigs, so that might be something difficult to be done. I'm really not sure, but you could probably take this loose and pluck it if you want to and then re-braid it yourself. But since I am not a pro braider, I'm not gonna do that. And I know if I were to try and pluck this, I'm gonna mess it up and then it's gonna look all shaggy, and we definitely don't want that. So I'm gonna leave her as is, and I am not going to try and pluck it. But that would be the only thing that I would call out about it. But I feel like it's still wearable. I would definitely still wear this out. The lace also blended into the skin well. I did add some powder just because I felt like my skin was just a little bit lighter. I mean, just a little bit darker than the lace, just a little bit. So I just added a tad bit of powder to blend that in, and that did the entire job for me. So yeah, it was really quick and easy, honestly guys. I went slower, but if you wear this unit more often, you could really plop this on in a matter of like 10 minutes and be out the door. It's so quick and so simple to put on, and I just really like it. I like the ends as well with the curls. But that's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, just make sure you leave them in my comment section below. Braids Queen, you did that, sis. You did that. Alright, thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and also comment and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you again to Braids Queen for sending this unit. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.